With the windstorm over the weekend, we've been getting a lot of questions about trees that have fallen in people's yards. So I want to shoot a quick video to address some of the scenarios and let you know if you potentially have coverage or not. So the first case is your tree falls and damages your property, your fence, your shed, your house. It's your tree, it's your property. Your policy is going to provide coverage for that. It's going to provide for the damage to your property, which will be subject to your deductible, but then it'll also pay for the cleanup of that tree, and there won't be a deductible applied to that. And since it's damaged your property, there is an extreme limit on it, but you typically won't hit that with just a tree falling claim. So the entire amount of that should be covered without your deductible to clean up the tree. Now, what if it's your neighbor's tree that fell and damaged your property? Same thing, your fence, your house, your shed. What's going to happen? Is your neighbor's policy going to pay for it? Do you have to put the claim on your policy? You have to file that claim on your policy. So it's your property that was damaged. Your neighbor cannot control the wind and where their trees fall. So you have to put the claim on your policy. Same rules apply. They'll pay to fix the damage to your property, subject to your deductible, and then pay for your debris removal on that. Now, what if your tree just falls in your yard and doesn't damage anything? It just falls down. Will your insurance policy pay to clean that up? Potentially. Depends on the insurance policy. Some policies will. There won't typically be a deductible for the policies that do, but they will limit the amount that they pay. So they might only pay $500 per tree up to a maximum of $1,000. So depends on your policy. You might have a little bit of coverage on that. Now, what if it's my neighbor's tree that just fell in my property and didn't damage anything? Will my insurance company pay to clean that up, or will the neighbor's insurance company? So it depends on your company. So some companies that we have, they don't care whose tree it is. If it falls on your property, they will pay up to the limit of typically around $500 to clean that up. Now some companies say, well, we'll only clean up the neighbor's tree that fell on your property that didn't damage anything, only if it is blocking your driveway so you cannot get in and out, or is blocking a handicap access into or out of your home. So those are the scenarios that you may have coverage under there. The biggest thing we always get is, hey, it's my neighbor's tree, it fell on my property. Who's responsible? You are. It goes on your policy to pay for your damage and for your cleanup. So I hope this clears everything up for everybody. If you have any questions or wonder if you have coverage to have a tree removed on your property, give your insurance agent or company a call. Thanks, everybody.